Let's walk through how to create recurring contracts in SuperOps. Recurring contracts help you automate billing for ongoing services like retainers, saving you time, ensuring smooth service delivery, and improving revenue predictability. First, head over to the Clients module and select the client for whom you want to create a recurring contract. To create a recurring contract, click on the Add Recurring Service Contracts button. This opens the contract creation window where you'll set up the details in two sections, Basics and Application. In the Basics section, start by choosing the package type, whether it's a service bundle, block hour, or block money. Add a description. Here, you'll see the unit price of the selected plan. If the default price doesn't match your agreement with the client, enable the Override Price checkbox to adjust it. You can now choose the sites for which you want to apply this contract. You have the option to apply it to headquarters, all sites, or just specific sites. Now, set the start and end dates for the contract. And don't forget to enable a reminder to notify you before the contract expires. Here's the important part. Configuring billing details. SuperOps allows you to select a billing model and quantity type for the contract. With dynamic pricing, clients are billed based on actual usage, ensuring billing accuracy. For example, if Microsoft 365 is mapped to 5 users and antivirus to 10 assets in the delivery map, the cost is calculated as 5 times the unit price for M365 and 10 times the unit price for AV, with the total contract price being their sum. Unmapped items default to a quantity of 1, ensuring accuracy and avoiding overcharges. You also have the option to select the quantity type to be fixed or dynamic. If you opt for dynamic billing, you can decide from the drop-down menu which groups should be billed for the contract. We will show the total contract price for your reference. You can also add discounts on top of this. For example, if we apply a 5% discount, we'll show you the new total after the discount. Next, configure the subscription and billing details. Decide the subscription period, which could be in days, weeks, months, or years. You also have the option to choose a subscription method: upfront, arrears, or advanced. If you choose an upfront subscription, the contract will be billed when the service starts. If you select arrears, the contract will be billed after the service is provided. If you select advanced, you can decide when to bill the contracts before the service charges. For instance, we can bill the client 10 days before the service starts. You also have the option to skip the billing queue. Choose an effective date for the contract. Once set, the contract will become active from the chosen date, and you can see the prorated amount calculated after the effective date. Choose whether to generate invoices immediately or add them to a billing queue. In the Included Items section, you can customize the package further by deleting or adding new items, or map unmapped items directly from the delivery map. Now, let's move on to the Applications section. Define the conditions for applying the contract to tickets. For instance, if a ticket's priority is critical, this contract will apply to those tickets. To maintain consistent service standards, associate one or more SLAs. You can also override pricing for specific conditions, let's say. For remote support, you can enter a discount type of 10%. If it's after hours, then the discount is 5%. You can also set which services should be auto-approved after they are provided. Once you are finished, hit Save again. Your recurring contract is now successfully created.